Let's boil some water with rocks. Now in order to hot rock boil, you need to have a couple basic things. One, you need to have some form of a vessel. In this case, I'm using a turtle shell. You also need to have a fire, which is going over here to my right. You need to have rocks. It's a very easy premise. Since rocks are a high thermal density material, meaning that when there is any sort of radiant heat or thermal heat that is applied to them, they're going to store that heat. In this case, it's going to be thermal heat from my fire. First things first, I got to put my rocks in the fire. I want to put my rocks in somewhat of a little pile and keep count of exactly how many go in. In this case, I'm doing 6 rocks. That should fit nicely in my turtle shell. Next, I'm going to let these guys heat up. It's going to take a little bit. I want to let these guys burn for a little while, but I need them to get hot. Build a fire on top of the rocks, let the rocks heat up. Good to go. The whole idea behind hot rock boiling is you're boiling something in a container or vessel that could potentially burn. If I take this turtle shell and place it on the fire, it will burn. A wooden bowl, it will burn. Anything, aside from something that's metal or a form of stone will likely burn. So the idea is to take a vessel that's likely to burn, introduce hot rocks into it with water, and you're good to go. So that's it in a nutshell. Hot rock boiling is a very easy way of getting clean drinkable water. You just got to have rocks, a fire, and some sort of vessel. The key thing to remember is the reason why you're doing this is that you don't have the means of boiling that water in some sort of metal pot. So you find a vessel that is either wood or a shell, a skull, whatever the case may be, and you boil your water in that by heating up rocks, dropping it in the water, and then you got clean drinkable water. All right, that is how I hot rock boil. Thanks for watching.